We are heading into Magic Kingdom.
I don't think
We're all so excited.
not hang themselves, they're strangled
Yes.
themselves.
We're going to 7 North Mine Train, and we usually run. So I'm gonna switch to my GoPro so I don't drop my camera. Ready for this? Turn the corner. The new castle. It's so much bigger than I remember.
Now you're trying to move that arm.
What do you think about the new castle?
I think it's amazing.
You think it's
It's
amazing?
very colorful.
It is. Jake, what do you think about the castle? The different colors.
It's castle.
I am.
Along Main Street, USA, as we prepare to open all of our lands at 9 a.m. Thank you and have a magical day.
5 minutes.
Yep, 5 minutes.
Everybody, your hands up, put it in here. There is a delayed opening for the line.
We have to wear masks now in queues and rides. So right now, we skipped Mine Train because there's going to be a longer wait. We wanted to go to Splash, but we saw that Haunted was open for 10 minutes. So we're going to Haunted, and then we'll try to head over to
walk
Splash.
on.
Yeah, it is a walk-on. Like, look.
And she could be at
Yeah.
Disney.
Like,
She
look at
never
this.
answers her phone.
This is usually fully
Bro,
queued.
look, it's right there already.
Like, look. You enter through there.
Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
From the walls and gather into the dead center of
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive.
Thunder first, then Splash Mountain. And I can record those because they're not in pitch blackness. Finally! Woohoo! Wait, what?
There's nothing. There's zero sweat.
This here's a wild ride in the wilderness!
I wish I could see our mouth.
I know, right? Dude, this is so weird because we're all the way in the back.
It's gonna be like whipping us around.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Dude, look at the view.
See the castle.
Great view, great view. We're good, bro. You can see the moon.
Simulator from Fox and Brabant on Texas International Studio.
Is that the 50-foot drop?
I think
The first time I went on this ride, I sat with Jesse, Julia, and Jack, and every time we go down a hill, they say, "That's not the big one." Like, no.
it doesn't splash anymore. Look, it doesn't
It's like
splash.
you jinxed it, it gets us all in.
Well, that's unfortunate. I love how the flow is like,
Even this theming. Like, who's gonna notice that? You know how annoying that would be?
Just hours and hours.
This one's pretty big too.
I'm too short.
Yeah, we should have the front.
Oh, that was so close.
I know.
I say make a whole new experience on the front.
Yeah. I don't know, bro.
Yeah, right.
Julia, check us.
oh my god.
Check our hair. I've never even noticed that before.
We're gonna get a cinnamon roll. Ask for extra icing. Extra icing apparently. Thank you. Was it cold like that?
Guys, are you coming? Okay, text us when you're done.
A lot of these things I forgot I even had them until the rest come out, and I go, oh, yeah, of course, I remember that. Like, this particular piece right here, oh. Listen to me, Stacy in your township.
Yeah.
Silent, wait, let me start at the middle. What the, what am I thinking? That's a terrible place to start a story. I'll just tell you how it ends. No, wait. I got an idea. I'll start at the beginning. I was born from a small world and wait.
Look at who sits and what sits before. You want to think of the lives? I can play. But who cares? No big deal. I want more.
Rings us glossitis and next laryngitis. They also all lived in a big castle, which ain't so bad either. That's my favorite kind of story.